Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. How are we doing? Yes, today we have another interesting video. I want to discuss about how to know those afflicting your dreams, afflicting your life, afflicting what's as in everything around you, with maybe through your dream or your imagination. Alright, so today if you want to know how best to use this to know who is actually after you, okay, I will implore you to follow me to the end of today's video. Okay, so you get all you need to know. Good morning, good afternoon, and then good evening to my wonderful friends, depending where you're listening from. I am still your girl and remain your girl Grace. So this is Grace Linkable. You're highly welcome to the family. Okay, so feel free to join us by clicking on the subscribe button and then the bell icon beside it for notifications, so that whenever I post my videos you will see it right there on your phone. Don't miss any because we have a lot in stock for you. Alright, so without much ado, without much of our time, my last video I talked about how to plug this, not just this, all the herb, how to take herb from the roots or stem, leaf, anything you want to do, anything concerning herbs for spiritual works. I think I taught you guys on how to do it, so please I advise you to try and follow the procedure to while getting this if you want to do this. Okay, so what I have here is cassava leaf. This is cassava leaf, and when you watch closely, you know that the one I have here has 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7 fingers. Okay, yeah, there is a specific reason why I choose this 7 fingers cassava leaf. Like I showed you guys in my previous video that you can get the one of 4 fingers, you can have say the one of 8 fingers, 9, depending on the species. Okay, all of them has a very important message they are passing through. So but for this particular one, this is what I will be using for this procedure. So once I get it, I have to cut it off from here. Now what I have now is just the fingers, just the 7 fingers. Out of these 7 fingers, I have another thing that I will add in there. So we will be using two and then use one to wrap it, like two up, two like this. Okay, 4 4 or whatever. Just watch me as I do it. Listen, this is 7 in number, right? So I have to use 3. I have to cut it into 3. This is 1 2 3. Fine, I have another one. 1 2 3, remaining 1. Okay, so out of these 3, you can see I'm going to add something. Okay, I'm going to add something in it. This is 3. Perfect. Then we have another interesting something I want to introduce to you. This is my garlic. Using one, I have just 2 here. Like I showed you guys my previous video, this is the this native garlic. Why? This is the, I don't know how to, but this is agri, we call it agri, the one they employ from some other places. This is not the one grown here in Nigeria, but this is foreign garlic. It's very is also active. So if you have this, you can use this. If you have this type, the tiny ones we do cultivate here, you can use it. So anyone you have, they can go. Now watch me as I do it. When you get this, you have to open it, like divide it into 2. I'm going to use spoon for it. I'm dividing it into 4. All right, this is 4 division. It's divided into 4. Please don't allow it to fall off. That's why I didn't use very sharp objects. Okay, so then that's why I didn't use very sharp objects. So when I'm done dividing it, I'm going to add sea salt. Okay, yeah, here is my sea salt. I'm going to add it in here. Good. After putting it, I'm going to put it in here, inside this. So After putting it here, remember three here, then I'm going to add another three. Just watch me. I'm covering it. Hmm? I'm covering it. Then we have to do it this way. The first, we have to squeeze it and then squeeze it again this way. Remember, we still have one. We have one. I'm going to wrap it because I don't want it open. So you can use any thread of your choice, hmm, to tie it because I don't want it to, or you can use broom, one single stick, a broom to hold this. But in absence of the broom or whatever, just get you can get a red thread. In fact, use any thread of your choice and tie it. Okay, after tying it, you have to put it under your pillow. You have to sleep on it. Remember to say your wish. You need whoever that is tormenting me to be revealed. Sometimes what we do pass through may not really be witches and wizards, wicked uncles, and all that. Okay, it may not even be the person you're even looking at or the person you're even taking. Maybe he or she is the cause of what you're passing through. It may be someone else that's far different from those people. But at the end, you find out that you may be having someone else in mind while another person is tormenting you. So I implore you to do this. Let me tell you something. Whoever that you see in your dream, 98% sure he or she is behind what you are passing through. So I will implore you to do this. After doing this, if whoever that is being revealed to you in your dream, please repeat it again. After repeating it the second time, if the same face keep coming, then know he or she is in charge of what you are passing through. Are you passing through setback in your business, academics, whatever, marital life, marital settlements, or whatever? Once you do this, something must be revealed to you. Okay, you have to sleep on it. When you are doing it, you have to speak your mind. I want whoever that is in charge of whatever I'm passing through to be revealed. I want whoever that is oppressing me to be revealed. Okay? Once you are done doing, put it under your pillow, your foam, or whatever, wherever you are going to lay your head on that night. Just lay your head and have yourself a wonderful sleep. Make sure, make sure you repeat the second time to be sure of whoever. And then, if you want to confront the person, please inform me first. Let me know what next to do before you confront the person. Okay, so I'm going to stop here for now. I will see you guys in my next video. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.